As a global player in the seafood business, strong material control and traceability is critical to us, and we use our ERP systems for that. Where we find the applied principle system excellent is in giving us complementary data such as audit data, QA data, compliance checks, health and safety. It's perfect for those sorts of things, critical information that complements your transactional data. The other reason we like applied principle system is that once it's installed, it's very easy to deploy. It's user built and driven by user demands, and they can edit the scripts and the checkpoints that are doing these data validation. They can do that themselves with minimal IT involvement, and that was a key attraction for us in purchasing this system. We're currently using 8 Applied Principles Data Logic ELF devices. That's what our end users use. We're considering other platforms. We're working with Applied Principles and considering using the Windows 8 smartphones. We're looking forward to trialling this to have a device that's a bit more portable. In terms of the back end, we've got 2 data centers in London, UK, and we've got Windows Server 2008 running a terminal services environment that the Data Logic devices connect to, and the database underneath that is Microsoft SQL 2008 also. In terms of response times, we've had 0 problems, even though we have data being captured in Seychelles. We have great response times and instant emails coming out from our data center. So it's a really strong, robust platform that everything runs on. And our users have had 0 complaints in the last 12 months with response times and actually speed of getting flagged from the system like emails and text. Other benefits we've experienced with the Applied Principle system is speed of deployment. It's very fast to train the users. They can typically be trained in a day. It's very fast to deploy the system. Each of our deployments has been done in less than 1 week. So it's perfect in that point of view. It's not like a large-scale typical ERP project. A further benefit is the centralization of data. All the data that's gathered by the Applied Principle system is centralized in one place and can be reported from in one place, and that's been key to our requirements to have remote visibility of that centralized data. Because that data is centralized and the data is consistent, and because the same systems being used at each site, you also get consistency of process. So for example, we have a good manufacturing process audit. We can now guarantee consistency of that process at each location we use in the Applied Principle system, and that's critical to us. We found Applied Principles very easy to deal with from all aspects in terms of dealing with the commercial side of it and the support side. Very straightforward. They're not a huge company, they're not deeply bureaucratic. Every query we've had has been dealt with professionally and quickly. Every user query we've had is dealt with fine by the support desk and turnaround, and every technical query is dealt with quickly also. In 12 months we've had 0 downtime, so no problems at all in recommending Applied Principles from this aspect.